Make a great choice today with the 2018 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, dual mode performance exhaust, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, front license plate bracket. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.